Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify your Google My Business profile with video. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for support.google.com. Sign into your account and the support webpage will be displayed. Now, choose the business profile you would like to verify. Next, type in video verification in the field below your chosen business profile and click on Next. Then, select Other from the available suggestions and click on Next Step. Scroll down and click on Next Step again. On the next page, select Email and choose the issue Profile Not Verified. Now click on the Check Verification Status button and a new page will open up. Here, confirm your Google account and choose the target profile. After that, click on Contact Us and then click on the Contact embed. Now, enter all of the required information about your business. In the URL section, you will need to paste the Google Maps link of your business. To get this link, open your business in Google Maps, copy its link, and then paste the link in the required field. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click on the Submit button. So that's basically how you can verify your Google My Business profile with video. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.